हेलो नमस्कार, मैं अन्विशा हमारे चैनल किचन क्वीन अन्विशा में आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। सबसे पहले गाइस, नवरात्रि की आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। मे माँ दुर्गा ब्लेस यू विथ गुड हेल्थ, प्रॉस्पेरिटी, जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस. So, as we all know, Navratri that means completely sattvic bhojan, no onion, no garlic. But kids, they don't understand that. They need tasty food, and we have to cook something for them. So today I really wanted to eat pasta. I was really craving for it, and then I decided to cook pasta without onion and garlic. And I thought of sharing the recipe with you guys. So without wasting time, let's get started and let's see what all things we need to make giant pasta. So guys, here are the ingredients. वी नीड पास्ता. मैंने यहाँ पर पास्ता ऑलरेडी बॉईल कर लिया है. इस पास्ता को बॉईल करने के लिए मैंने 2.5 कप वाटर और 1 टीस्पून नमक का इस्तेमाल किया था. वी नीड सम ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स. यहाँ पर मैंने लिया है गाजर, शिमला मिर्च और फ्रेंच बीन, कैरेट, कैप्सिकम एंड फ्रेंच बीन्स. इसे मैंने लंबे लंबे जूलियन स्टाइल में चॉप किया है. अगर आप चाहें तो इसे बारीक भी काट सकते हैं. आई हैव टेकन जिंजर पेस्ट, मेयोनीज. This mayonnaise doesn't contain onion and garlic. मैंने यहाँ पर किसान का no onion no garlic sauce यूज किया है. And then we need some spices. As we know, नवरात्रि में spices limited हो जाते हैं. So I'm using green chili, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, normal red chili powder, and some coriander powder. So now let's proceed towards our cooking. So I have added almost 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, यानी कि 2 से 3 चम्मच हमने तेल डाला है कढ़ाई में और अब हम इसे अच्छे से गर्म होने देंगे. So guys, now our oil is heated up. We'll add the veggies in it. So here I've added the veggies and we'll saute it now. We'll cook the veggies properly. We have to make sure we don't overcook the veggies, nor it's undercooked. We have to cook it in appropriate quantity. And remember one thing guys, since we are making something Chinese, so Chinese is always cooked on high flame. So don't put your flame on low because it will spoil your food. Always cook Chinese on high flame. So my gas is on high flame right now. I'm continuously sauteing the vegetables. Once I see that my vegetables are a bit cooked, I'll be adding the ginger paste. So now you guys must be thinking कि मैंने पहले ginger paste क्यों नहीं डाला है. So there is a reason behind that. हम जब भी गरम तेल में ginger garlic paste डालते हैं, ये पैकेट वाला, तो वो ना बहुत ज़्यादा छिड़कने लगता है and वो पूरा आपके जल भी सकता है. So इसीलिए मैं पहले थोड़ा सा vegetables सौटे कर लूँगी. At this point 2 से 3 मिनट हो चुके हैं. अब मैं इसमें डालूंगी हमारा
ginger paste.
Just 1 teaspoon approx, and now we'll mix it well and we'll let it cook. हमें इसे तब तक भूनना है जब तक हमारा जो जिंजर पेस्ट का एक रॉनेस है, एक कच्चापन है हमारे जिंजर पेस्ट में, वो ना चला जाए. So we'll keep on cooking it on high flame. So guys, as you can see, after 5 to 7 minutes, our vegetables are cooked as much as we want it to be cooked. Now we'll slow down the flame and we'll add our pasta in it. Give it a good mix once. And then add the sauces, masalas and mayonnaise. So here goes my tomato ketchup first. Approx 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Then some mayonnaise. And all our masalas. And then give it a good mix. So guys, now here what you can do is, if you like eating soya sauce, you can use soya sauce over here because soya sauce doesn't contain onion and garlic. So I am going to use a bit of soya sauce also. And then again I'm going to give it a good mix. And then we'll let the masalas cook. We'll cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll add some salt. Salt you will add according to your taste. Here I'm using Sindha Namak because I use Sindha Namak during Navratri. And we won't add much of salt because we have already added tomato ketchup and dark soya sauce. And it already contains salt in it. So don't add too much of salt. I have added approx half teaspoon of salt in my pasta. And we'll cook it on high flame again. So I have turned on the flame on high. And then we'll keep on mixing it properly. So guys, I have sauteed it for another 5 to 7 minutes and our pasta is completely ready now. हमारे मसाले अच्छे से भून चुके हैं, हमारे sauces अच्छे से पक चुके हैं इसमें and we don't want to overcook. So our pasta is done and now we'll do the plating. So guys, our Jain no onion garlic pasta is now ready and trust me, it's really tasty. Do try this recipe and comment in the comment box whether you liked the recipe or not. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates of my new videos. Thank you. We'll see you again with new recipe.